Good day, Gunny Bull fans. Ron here. I'm going to show you how to change your trimmer line on your Black & Decker weed whacker. First thing you're going to do, there's two buttons on the side. You'll press that in and this pops out the center part. This is just what holds your reel in place. Then you're going to pull the reel out. Take note, it's going to, of this little hole right here, this is where you're going to want to feed this back through. You can see your old one here. So you're going to take that old line. This is factory sealed right now, so it's a little tough. Alright, so I managed to work this out a little bit. Once you have worked out a little bit, you just got to slide it this way. Once it's over there, it should just pop out like that. Now you're going to take your new one here. Goes in like this. And you should be able to, whoop, well, I lost my wire. Because it's the same principle. Is you're sliding this one in like this. Loop it in down here. Pull it over. And then pull it tight. So you've now locked this in place. Now you're going to wind your wire. Keep your wire tight as you go around like this. It's important not to overlap your wrap, because if you overlap your wrap, it'll lead to tangles. So you want it to just nicely go in there. Alright, I've got 2-3 layers on here. I'm not the best wrapper. I try to do my best. Now what you do is you take this wire, feed it out through here, and you're going to lock this back in place. And then you just take your cap, and you're done. That's all there is to changing your wire on your weed whacker. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.